Welcome students. In this video we are going to make a satellite. It's very fascinating to see a satellite, but it will be much more fascinating to make a satellite. So let's go towards making it. So let's select a polygon first of all. Take a polygon, make the height equal to 40 mm and both the sides. Let's first of all tilt it. Let's make an angle revolution, like rotate it by 22.5 angle. Okay, this is awesome. And now change the size to 20 and 20. 20, 20. So now here we have a good shape, and then we will rotate it in the plane by 90 degree. Drop it to the plane, drop it to the work plane by using Ctrl D. You have dropped it by using Ctrl D. And let's make, so first of all we will give it a look. So for this we will use a sphere at this moment. Sphere, make the diameter as 18 mm. You can also select Alt, or you can just select, wait a minute, select Alt and Shift and make the diameter as 18 mm, and then put it in between the cylinder. First of all, let me change the color of the cylinder as white, because we have a satellite which is white. At this, select both of them, click on align, make it center, and now it's time to drag it to the center of this thing. So okay, this is awesome. We will put it little bit down of it. Okay, let me see, it's not coming from the downward side. Okay, it is coming. So what we can do here is that first of all we will rotate it by some angles so that it will get flattened here. Okay, so this is good. Now we will select this, and then we will drag it. Let me check the alignment of them. Align them in a single. Okay, they are aligned. Then we will drag it to the center. Okay, then put something below it. Now let's see what is coming. Okay, it's still coming. So now we have only one solution to change the size. So make it 16 mm. 16 mm and lift it up from the ground. Then allow it to come outside. Okay, so now it still be having that problem. Okay, let's reduce it once. Okay, I think I have a solution for this. Select both of them, click on align, make it center. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, now we are done for next process. So we have created till now in this satellite. Now we will add panels to the satellite by using a box and a cylinder. So this is our box, and now we have the cylinder. So we will make a cylinder of diameter 4 mm. Put 4. Okay, done. And now reduce the height. Okay, let it be there. We will check it is 20. Okay, it is 20, and then we will go for the box, or we can say cube. Dimension is 20. The size that we are going to use here should be 2 mm. Okay, and then we will align both of them, same angle, select it, put it at this moment. Now what we can do, we need it outside, so that we want it to look like a panel. So lift it little bit. If you have any problem, you can change the snap grid. Okay, now this is cool. Now take it, okay, press Ctrl D and put it on the opposite side of it, and then group it. Use Ctrl G, or you can still use the computer screen. We will change the color to gray, that it will look gray, it will look good. Now first of all we will get a top angle. Let's take the orthographic view. So select it, rotate it by 22.5 degree. We will only use 22.5 degree. Well, it's kind of good. Control D, put it on the side, use the mirror option, make a figure like this. Okay, now we are at this moment. To make a perfect panel, here we will be using 0.5 mm Snapgrid. So here we have a good picture. Now let us copy this thing, Control D. Let me allow me to drag it this moment and then put it at this thing here. Okay, let me drag it some more. Okay, so this is good. Now what we are going to do, let me align them so that it will be good for me also to make a nice figure at this moment. So use Control G and then align both of them. Select this, click on L, make it center, and you can also drive it little bit further here. Okay, so now we have a great thing here. Select them, add Control G, add it to the panel. Okay, now this is good. Now press Control D, drag it to other side, because if we are using a panel, it should be on both sides. Mirror it so that it will give a dynamic look to us. Okay, now select, make a little bit outside of it so that it will give a panel type of look. Okay, now let's make it a little bit on the back side. Okay, this is good. Done. Now if we have a satellite, then we should also use an antenna at this moment. So we will use an antenna, and how we are going to make it, we will be using a cone. We will change the diameter of the cone 20 mm. Its size is 20 mm at the bottom and the height is 6 mm. Sorry, let's make it 15 mm. Sorry, it's 15 mm. Radius is 15 mm. Sorry, radius is 15 mm. The height is 6 mm. So we have this type of figure at this moment. 20, 20 and 30. We want 20, 20. So change the value to 20 and 20. But still now we are not ready with our figure, so we will be using a circle. Push it little bit of outside by using a shift. By using Alt option, you can make it like a punching bag and make the height as 8. And then convert it to an hollow figure. Select the first of all created cone and then click on align, make it center, make it center. Okay, so we have this type of figure, but we don't want this thing. So what we are going to do here is that, first of all, let me check what is the size of the thing which we made. Okay, let's make it 30 mm. Make it 30 mm and on the inside. Let me drag it outside. Then we will make it a little bit of bigger, and then select both of them. Click on align, make it center, make it center. Lift it little bit of upward side, this hollow part. Lift it little bit of upward to give it a good look. Now here we have this thing which we want. So select both of them, click on Control G. Okay, so now we have this type of figure which we want. Okay, let me change one thing. Okay, select the bottom part, make it full of the sides so that we will get a good figure at this moment. And now we will create Control G. We will get this type of figure. Now if we are having an antenna, then it's a must to be having a figure in between them. So for this thing, we'll be using a size of 4 by 4, 4, 4, and the height should be of 15. The height should be of value 15. So we have this type of figure. And now to give it a more interesting look, we will be using a circle of 6 mm diameter. Let's make it short. 6, 6, done. Now select both of them, click on align, make it in the line, make it center on the top of it. So stretch it upward to give it a dynamic look and lift it. Lift the ball, or you can say a center part. Lift it on the top. Okay, wait. Let me lift. Okay, we have this cool figure. Cool, it's cool. Use it. Press Ctrl G and select this bucket type of figure and this antenna, and then click on align. Make it center, center. Let me lift it upward so that it will look good. So okay, we have this type of figure. Let me reduce the size of it little bit. Okay, so now we are reducing the size. Okay, this is awesome. Lift it outside of the ground. We have this type of figure. Change the color to a white color. So don't forget to first of all group them, then select, make the color as a little brown. Okay, this is good. Now I will drag it. Let me reduce the size. Okay. So because it's looking much flattening, so we'll be using a curve, a box here of like size, height of 4 mm, height of 4 mm, then put it in at the bottom and then Ctrl G. So now we have a good figure. Drag it, press and control. So we are using an orthographic view. Drag it to this portion, make it little bit of smaller so that it will look good, and then lift it on the upper side. Okay, now it's good. So now we have made an antenna. Now let's give it a good look. We will be using a circle. Make the size smaller. Okay, make it 9. Make it 9. Okay, then we will put it, lift it by some amount, drag it, add at the side, so, and press on Ctrl D, and then create the same figure on the other side of this thing. So now we are ready. Click, make it Ctrl Z, select all, and then Ctrl G. Make sure that the color is constant, otherwise it will just select the multicolor option, and then we will work on the overall project. So by changing the angle of it, change the perspective, and then you will find the angle symbol, click on 90. So you will look it like this. Click on D to make it. Now we will lift it outward of the plane, and then we will change a little bit of the angle. We will change a little bit of angle to make it a little bit of realistic. So okay, this is good. For this thing, okay, done. And the next thing we will be doing is that make it a little bit of tilt, give it a tilt to give it a good look. Okay, so here we are ready. So now this is awesome. So in today's tutorial we learned how to make a satellite by using simple figures, and in the next video we will make much more fascinating and very scientific type of projects. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also share with others so that they can also learn about all these CAD projects. Thank you.